My dear students, now we are going to look at D flip-flop to T flip-flop conversion. The given flip-flop is D flip-flop. We are converting into T flip-flop. For the given flip-flop, what I am trying to do is I am trying to look at the conversion process. So, given the flip-flop, which flip-flop is being given to us is D flip-flop. So, input is D. The output is Qn and Qn bar. So, we are going to get Qn and Qn bar. This is of course Qn bar. This is your Qn. So there is some conversion logic which will convert your D. Okay, so this is a conversion logic. Conversion logic. Okay, so from this I'm going to get D input. The input to the conversion logic is okay. One is the Qn. Okay, the other one is the T input. Right. So the whole process is to generate the T flip flop. What is the input to the T flip flop generally? Clock and T input. So clock and T input. So what we try to do is we will take the T input, T flip flop, Qn plus 1, which you would like to get it from the D flip flop. So D input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So T flip flop, when input is 0, Qn and there is nothing but Qn plus 1, so 0 1. When T is equals to 1, it toggles, that is Qn plus 1 is Qn bar. So 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So your output will be D is nothing but Qn plus 1, only D flip flop in which the Qn plus 1 doesn't depend on Qn. So Qn plus 1 is nothing but D, is a delay flip flop. So now if you look at the D is a function of what exactly? This is a output, okay, and this is the input with respect to conversion logic. So these are a couple of inputs I have. So I want expression for a D, but D is a function of T and Qn. So what I try to do is I will take up the K-map. K-map for what? K-map for your input T, of course for output D. The inputs are T and Qn. So we will try to tabulate it. Right? So what exactly that is? This is 0 and this is 1, this is 0 and this is 1. So it is 0, 1, 1, 0. No more pairs are possible. So what is that I am going to get the expression for D is nothing but this is TQn bar, and whereas this is T bar Qn. So this is nothing but T XORed with Qn. Okay. So what I now try to see that is that the whole conversion process very simple. I will take the D flip flop. There is a clock, of course, clock will be there. So this is your CLK, okay, clock CLK. There is a Qn bar, which output is Qn bar. There is output Qn, which you are getting from the D flip flop. For this D, what we are trying to do is we are exclusive ORing. So I will take a T input and I will connect it to the exclusive OR gate. One of the input is coming from the output itself, which is Qn. The other input is T. This is what exactly the thing. So for the external thing, that whatever you look in is looks like it is a T flip flop, but inside if you look in, it is a D flip flop, wherein the inside D flip flop is converted. If you look from the outside, it is clock. So T and clock, right? So it is converted as a T flip flop, right? T flip flop. From where it has been converted is very clear that it is converted from D flip flop. So it is D to T flip flop conversion. Done.